Hi everyone, my name is Abdulrazak and today I'll be showing you the new ComfyUI user interface and template. So let's jump right in. So ComfyUI has made a lot of updates recently, and for those who don't know what ComfyUI is, it's a Gen AI tool that allows you to generate images, audio and video locally on your system, on your desktop. So ComfyUI moved has labeled the sidebar and given it names, queues, nodes, models, workflow, and templates. So today we'll be looking at templates mostly. So templates allow you to use existing generative templates. So this, instead of creating your own workflow, generative workflow from scratch, you get to use a pre-made workflow. So there are various classifications. So there's getting started, there's image, there's video, audio, a 3D model. Which other one? There's the ones that have API, that's third-party APIs. So I'll show you an image template and let's get right into it. So Flux, should I use Flux? So let's get right into it. So I've been trying to use Flux for a while. So yeah, use a lot. So I've downloaded the model and it's currently generating this prompt. So highly realistic portrait of a Nordic woman with blonde hair, blue eyes, very few freckles on her face, gaze sharp and intellectual. Lighting should reflect the unique coolness of Northern Europe outfit in the minimalist and modern background. It's blurred with cool tones, needs to perfectly capture the characteristics of a Scandinavian woman. Solo centered composition. So this is using Flux. So Flux is a model that's for generating images. So Flux is more realism based. So it's a model that aims to generate more photorealistic images compared to models like Stable Diffusion. So there's an example. So I'll be modifying this prompt. Let's say of areas of a, let's say of a, let's say East African one with dark hair, brown eyes, very few freckles on her face, gaze sharp and intellectual. So uniqueness of yeah, let's say Northern Europe. Output is minimalist, modern, background is blurred, YouTube public capture of a, let's say, of yeah, an East African woman. So this is the model we're going on. You're going to generate highly realistic portrait of an East African woman with dark hair, brown eyes, very few freckles on her face, gets sharp and intellectual. The lighting should reflect the uniqueness of Northern Europe. So I'm hoping a background will still be the background of Northern Europe, snowy kind of background, and the outfit will still, be minimalist, modern. Background is blood with cool tones. Need to probably capture the characteristics of an East African woman, solo and centered composition. So let's run this. And here we have it. Not bad, but this is not really what I was going for. Well, not bad. See, she's got freckles, nice. So not bad. So yeah. As you can see, so Flux is more hyper realistic compared to other models like Stable Diffusion. So let's take the same model, prompt rather, and let's give it to Stable Diffusion. So yeah, this is my Stable Diffusion based model. So let's run it. So this is the Stable Diffusion based model. This is the result. Same prompt and the same prompt, but different results. Less realistic. Less realism. Let's try to make it 1004 by 1004, and I'll show you it's less realistic. So these under same prompts and different batch of generation. So this image is actually more accurate. This image looks more like someone from East Africa, but you can see it's not super realistic. Resolution is not that great. You can see there's some errors. It's not perfect. It's not picture perfect. Versus this and this generated by the Flux model. You see, it's very easy to know. Oh, this Stable Diffusion, this Flux. So if you're interested in getting this workflow, I'll provide the link in the description. Yeah. So yeah, to find out more about what I'm working on, how to use AI and automation tools to improve your life, basically save time, save money, and just improve the way you work. Follow me. I have my links will be in the description, and Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I would like your feedback in comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.